Thanks again for joining us. We're now sitting inside this beautiful 1979 Carrera, Super Carrera. Yeah, it's a 1979 911 Super Carrera, and this is a Targa, so we can leave the top off of this right now and take a little drive here. So I'm going to let the owner, just one question before we get on here. I did notice you've got a beautiful Kenwood stereo here. So you're not able to play cassettes or CDs.
No, it's a USB. That's
Okay.
what it's right here is a micro USB.
Okay, so you can have your tunes on that and just plug
Yes.
it in there. So that's gone modern.
It will do the documentation. It's AM, FM, XM.
Okay,
Pandora. It does
all
all
of that
stuff.
That's
and,
great.
And it also has a phone option. That's what
Okay,
this is.
if you want to talk through that. And did you tell me you've got a power antenna out there too?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, why don't we turn this thing over and let's take a little ride here. Love that sound. When it goes by, you can be blindfolded and know what it is. Oh, here's where the antenna will go up. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, there you go. Very good. All right, well, let's take a little drive here. We are up in western North Carolina, kind of up in the mountain area. So we got some beautiful, beautiful curvy roads up here. Want to make sure we don't drag anything coming out of this driveway. That's another thing about the mountains. Everything's up and down. You got to watch it coming out of driveways. Okay. Shifts real nicely. Well, the thing that's so nice about a car like this, it hugs the road, and these curvy mountainy roads are just a blast to drive through. Just go right out of your drive and you're already in them. Now this is a 5-speed transmission?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.